Wala sa fan.
We're kicking her off with the freestyle motocross best trick competition. Now, we want to let you be the judges of our Monster Jam trucks, and I want to say, if we want these three deer dogs to walk away with that title of best trick. So get your smartphones ready. Judges are now that these three will be happy. These guys are so loud. Are you guys ready? Alright, they're ready. They're ready. Are you ready?
First from Hutchinson, Minnesota, it's Alex Damlow. Alex, a big fan of crafted, recycled materials, something he likes to do when he's not on the road. But on that 250, when he is on the bike, he's ready to go big and he's ready to press. So as soon as he hits that runway, Grand Rapids, make some noise!
Competition. Check it out on the Super Blue Blue to the Action replay. Show them a little love to section 208 and 209. Waiting to you guys over there. Hoping that that's going to help us score. So after you guys come in right now, we've started that 20-second clock time to tick it out. So lock in those scores because this score is going to set the bar for the rest of the competition. We're taking the average of all your scores just like we do for our Monster Jam trucks, and we're going to find out exactly where that bar sits for Alex Damlow. In just a couple seconds, I just got word, we got the score locked in.
I love the pointing at the camera there for the trick. That's style right there. The score for Alex Damlow is 7.646. 7.646 for Alex Damlow, kicking off our best trick competition. Up next from Orlando, Florida. Make some noise for TJ2. You notice the kind of deeper side of that body of 450. You've seen him in the past, so you realize that a stuntman in Bad Boys for Life, Avengers Endgame, and the Outer Banks series. TJ Tiffany, a wild man, and welcome to hang out with you. Hang out with these freestyle motocross guys. I would recommend that. Now, also be careful. You might end up on bike sometime. All right, let's hear it for TJ Tiffany.
Major error, it's like because it's slow emotion, even though we're about to live here in the arena. But right now, here's where you come in. You guys have to decide. Did TJ Tiffany do enough to knock Alex Devereaux out of the running, take his spot, and take the lead? Let's find out.
Scores are in, score beat 7.646. The score for TJ Tiffany is
I already bought you a plushie.
9.202. Grand Rapids, big fan of the backflip. Up next, our final competitor in the best trick competition from Bransonville, Maryland. We have Greg Duffy. Greg Duffy was the first ever freestyle motocross rider to do a double front flip on a dirt bike. He's swept the competition all weekend, the best trick. We're going to talk about one of the best on the planet. Get ready to hit the runway. Grand Rapids, make some noise.
The energy is electric, and Greg is moving. The scores are high. You know, we saw TJ Tiffany go. He had to add that extra layer of difficulty, adding that extra layer of that wow factor. We love to see it, but it's up to you guys. Lock in your scores now at judgeszone.com. We're going to see, will Greg Duffy walk away with that title, the best trick winner, or will it be TJ Tiffany?
Tough score beat right now, 9.202. The score for Greg Duffy is 9.616. Greg Duffy.
Grand Rapids, we are not done here yet. Looks like these three daredevils have a little left in them. TJ, tell them what you got.
Oh man, Grand Rapids, for everybody, you guys are so long, you haven't gone or what? Boys and I, we're gonna do something called FMX Trains. We're gonna try to get as close as we can together, try to get us all up in the air at the same time. I want you guys to clap your hands, stomp your feet, make some noise for the boys!
Grand Rapids, this is the final send-off. After this, we are back to our Monster Jam trucks. They've got their hands full. We're going to get to see these riders fly from one side of the arena to the other in a continuous train while performing tricks. They've got their hands full, but it's your job to help me get louder and louder and louder with every single train that we got. We're going to send these guys out the right way, and Grand Rapids, I am so excited because you guys have been the loudest so far. I've got all the faith in you. They want you to get loud. I want you to get loud, Grand Rapids. Get ready for the Freestyle Motocross Grand Finale. All right, they got their tight turnaround, and they're going to position themselves to get ready to go up the ramp. When you see that first rider out in Tampa, on the top of that ramp, Grand Rapids, that's when I want you guys to go crazy. So get ready.
Los tres seguidos. Los tres seguidos.
Perfect first train, but I think we can get a little louder. What do you think? All right, on this one, I want everybody not only to get loud with your voice, but stomp your feet, clap your hands, do whatever you gotta do. We've got to make this one louder, and I know you guys can do it. Phenomenal job, Grand Rapids. We got one more train. You guys got big shoes to fill. We were pretty loud. But I think it's time that all of Michigan knows. Monster Jam's in town, and it is time for the Freestyle Motocross Grand Finale. I want all of Michigan to hear you guys get loud, get crazy, gear up and get ready. Let me hear you. know, you might have to join Team Sparkle Smash because you took a clean sweep of this entire weekend with Best Trick competition with these fans right here for this event. They helped crown you that champion. How do you feel?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, Sparkle Splash has been killing it all weekend. And yeah, we had some great crowds here in Grand Rapids. You guys have been getting loud. Every crowd here has been super loud. Probably the loudest stop that we've been to so far. So congrats to you guys. Keep the noise going.
And obviously, moments on, competition is tough, it's real on the track. But when you guys see, you guys are good friends, and it seems like we can't keep you guys off of two wheels. Tell these most of your fans, if they don't see you on the track, where are they most likely to see the superstars of freestyle motocross?
Yeah, usually we're either on the track or on the road with Monster Jam, you know, seeing these awesome cities, meeting these awesome fans, track party and everything. And yeah, my life's dirt bikes, and yeah, the sooner you get started, the better off you are. Don't forget to wear your protection, helmet, knee pads, boots, all the good things.
And you know what, these Monster Jam fans, maybe for the first time some people are seeing this freestyle motocross. If they want to see more, if they want to go into this, you said wear your protection, but how do you stay so clear? Like, some of this stuff looks kind of scary.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I've been doing this since I was about 7 years old, and about 20 years yeah, growing up, I always had to get good grades in school, stay in school, kids, get good grades, and like I said, don't forget to wear your protection, your helmets, your boots, all the good things, and thank you guys for coming out to Grand Rapids. You guys have been great.
Give it up for your Best Trick winner one more time. It's Grant Duffy.
Before we jump into Monster Jam Freestyle, the final competition of the night and the final competition of the weekend in our 5-event weekend here at Grand Rapids.